Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and your family. I hope that you are in good condition while watching my video. I am Jennifer De Gracia. I am 40 years old, a single parent with one baby boy son, 5 years old. I took up PS Nursing third year college, but I cannot pursue my course due to financial problem. We are 6 siblings in the family and I am the fourth one. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My mother is a plain housekeeper while my father is already deceased. Since I am a single parent, I'll do my best to save money for my growing son.
Okay, so can you tell me your working experience?
I worked before in Malaysia for 1 year and 5 months. I did not finish my contract because my father passed away last year, 2012.
Okay, so how many members of the family you serve in Malaysia?
They are 4, ma'am.
How many children?
Only 1 kid, ma'am, aged 8 years old.
Okay, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities when you work with them?
I'm focusing cleaning, ma'am, doing ironing, washing the clothes. Then sometimes cook by myself because my employer does not allow me to cook. They are the one to cook for them.
Okay,
Then
your employer is a Chinese people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then, what is the reason behind why you want to be there in Hong Kong?
First, ma'am, I want to help my sisters, and second, to my son, I want to give him a better future and to save money for my growing son.
Okay. And then now this is the first time, that you want to go there in Hong Kong, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if you want to be there, who will take care of your child?
My sister, ma'am.
Okay. So, no communication with the father of your child?
No, ma'am, since birth.
Okay. So, working household chores, no problem with you, correct?
Yes,
You're a very
ma'am.
well experienced lady. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, how about cooking?
I'm willing to learn, ma'am, because
Okay.
I assist.
How about taking care of pets? No problem with
No
you.
problem, ma'am.
How about doing car washing? No problem
No
also.
problem, ma'am.
Okay. So now the future employer is watching and listening to you. What you can say something to the future employer?
Sir, ma'am, I'll be lucky and so blessed if you're gonna choose me as one of helper, and I keep promise to myself that I'll do my best to serve your family well.
Okay. So physically fit right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.